Hi friends, here is a nice set of two equations. X cube plus y cube equals 1 and x squared plus y plus 2xy squared plus y cube equals 2. We have to solve these two system of equations. By looking at this, right, these equations, they look little difficult, but there are certain hints. What are those hints? These are in a cube. These are in cubes, right? We know a cube plus b cube is equals a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. At the same time, we can say something of the form a square b, ab square, y cube, etc. Right. So something related to a cube plus b cube. At the same time, a square b plus ab square, etc. Now, in these types of equations, our strategy should be to get these equations into a place which is very familiar to us, familiar for us, into some territory in which we are strong. We are strong in quadratic equations because there are uh, direct solutions for them. For example, ax square plus bx plus c, there is a ready-made solution, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right. We have to simplify these kind of equations to get these equations into some territory which is familiar to us and which is our stronghold. Right. Let's see how. Let's see if we can cancel certain things to simplify these two equations. Right. What is a cube plus b cube? Which is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Right. Similarly, here we are given x cube plus y cube. Let us simplify this like this. To bring x plus y outside, and the remaining part will be in quadratic form. Right. X plus y times x square minus xy plus y square equals 1. Similarly, let's take y common out of this. Y, if we take this, then y times x square plus 2x 2xy plus y square. Y times x square plus 2xy plus y square. Right? If you are taking y common out of this, then this term is actually equal to x plus y whole square, right? A plus b whole square. This is of the form. So y times x plus y whole square equals 2. That is the second equation. Now, this first one, by second one, if you do, at least one x plus y will go away. So straight away, let's divide this part with by this part. Right. Both are from the left hand side. Left by left equals right by right. What is left by left? X plus y times x square minus this thing by this one. This one equals 1 by 2. So this x plus y will go at least once. So we'll be left with x square minus xy plus y square in the numerator. Y times x plus y in the denominator. Let us just expand this again. 2 times this one, x square 2x square minus 2xy plus 2y square equals yx plus y square, xy plus y square. Again, let's simplify this. Taking equal terms, this will become, so for example, 2xy plus xy, 3xy. This will come. Let's bring all the left ones to the right side. Sorry, let's take these right ones to the left side. What will we get? 2x square, which is 2x square, minus 2xy. Again, this will become minus xy, it will become minus 3x square, 2x square minus 3xy. 2y square minus y square. This will become minus 2y square minus y square will become y square. We will be left with y square minus 3xy plus 2y square. Instead of writing x square first, we are writing y square first. Right. We are writing y square first. So because we want to solve in terms of y. Right. Because this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation. Just that it is in the form of y square. Y square 1 into y square plus minus 3x into y plus 2x square. Right. A is 1, b is minus 3x, c is 2x square. Let's solve for y. Right. If you solve for y minus b, which means minus of minus 3x, which is 3x plus or minus b square, which is 9x square minus 4ac, which is 4 times 2x square, which is 8x square. Right. Then 3x plus or minus under root x square will become x, 3x plus or minus x by 2. Right. Equals 2x or x. Right, 3x plus or minus x by 2 becomes 4x by 2 or 2x by 2, which becomes 2x or x. Now we have solved for what is y. Let us take this and substitute this y here. Y times x plus y whole square equals 2. Let us substitute this here. Right, we have got 2x or x. Let us substitute this one by one in this equation. Let's say when y is equals x, then x times x plus x whole square. That is x times 2x whole square equals 2. Right, that means 3x cube, sorry, 4x cube. 2 square is 4 and x square. 4x cube equals 2. X becomes 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Let us rationalize this. 1 by 2 whole power and 1 by 3. We can multiply both numerator and denominator. 2 power 2 by 3. Right. So that we want to get a rational number in the denominator. Right. This makes it 2 power 2 by 3 by 2. What is 2 power 2 by 3? This cube root of 2 square, which is cube root of 4. So what is y? Y equals cube root of 4 by 2. When x equals when x equals cube root of 4 by 2, y is x, y is also x. So y is also equals cube root of 4 by 2. Right. We just simplified this x. Then y is automatically equal to x. Now let's take the other case where y equals to x. We have to figure out what if y is x. Then what about y equals to x? When y equals to x, again let's substitute in this equation y times x plus y whole square equals 2. So 2x, that means 2x times x plus 2x, which is 3x whole square equals 2. Right. What does that mean? This 2 and this 2 will go away. 3 square is 9. 9x cube equals 1. That means x equals 1 by 9 whole power 1 by 3. Again, let's rationalize the denominator. 1 by 9 whole power 3. Let's multiply both numerator and denominator with 9 power 2 by 3. So that the denominator is rational. So the denominator becomes 9. The numerator becomes cube root of 9 square, which is nothing but cube root of 9 square is 27 times 3. Why 27? Because we want to bring 3 out. So 3 cube root 3, here if we take this 27 out, it will become 3 root 3 by 3 cube root of 3 by 9. That is equals 1 by 3 cube root of 3. That is what? That is x. But y equals 2x. Y is 2 times of this. That is 2 by 3 cube root of 3. Right. This is a nice problem. Not very hard problem. Just that we have to convert given this form a plus bq into a familiar form and eliminate certain things so as to simplify and bring that in the form of quadratic equation. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you, guys.